My name is Priya Amit. I'm a trained counselor. Currently, I'm residing in Brussels, Belgium. I've been part of Feeling Minds learning groups since 2017. I've attended a few short-term and long-term training programs already. So I got to know about the parenting workshop through one of the groups. So I joined this course for the sole reason to become a better parent, to improve my role as a parent. I have two children, and I was struggling on many counts, as I was permanent bad cop of the house, and um, I wanted to change that. I wanted to try being a good cop at times. So I wanted to know what steps can be taken to move from the being bad cop to a good cop. And of course, I am already aware of Dr. Chinu's teaching style. So it's always experiential in nature. The discussion around learning is all, we had a lot of discussion about learning about different parenting styles, the theories by the great researchers and psychologists, and the various myths that we carried on parenting, the wrong notions that we had. All of them were busted one at a time, and they were dismissed with facts, which were it was so the understanding was made complete with logic and scientific reasoning, with scientific evidence, and nothing was a hearsay or according to her. It is all research based facts. We were also made to do presentations on various parenting topics, and various reading materials are provided, which all enhanced our knowledge to a great extent. So I would highly recommend this course to everyone, not just parents, all adults who even have the idea of becoming a parent someday, because it helps us understand the parenting journey better, how we were parented by our parents, what are the styles they used on us, and how we can not make the earlier mistakes and make new mistakes, be better parents, and understand the various personality, how we are responsible in shaping the personality of the child. And with all the tools and techniques that were taught to us, it helped us improve. It helped me improve as a human, be a better human being, and in a better way. A big thank you to you, Dr. Chino, for transforming me as an adult and as a parent, as a human. Heartfelt gratitude to not just you, but to all the mentors. You all have like immense patience, all of you, and immense knowledge that you have shared with us. It has made our learning a very enjoyable one and a very special one. I hope that I'm able to use this learning and apply it not just on myself, and also help other parents who may be having issues that I had and others like me had faced with their child, and improve their parent child bond.